playing. Yep, Animal Hospital. He doesn't know that we're recording right now. And some random people just joined. Get out of my face, Umar. His name is Umar, by the way. Haha. Oh, you poor little guy. You didn't get to use your... I just want to go home. By the way, guys, I'm eating right now. You must be getting higher. I'm Dr. Harrow. I'll fix up the shutters and the security cameras for you. Thanks. Nope. Nope, Evil Master. So, I'm Jane Halper. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna be trolling. Hey, what the hell are you doing? You know what? I'm gonna take some medicine right now and give it to the anomaly. Like, that's gonna be so funny. Mafu is bossing. It's so bossing. Why have you taken ointment? I have medicine too. Everybody wants to kill that. Do not. Someone died in the room if they were an anomaly. Okay. My floor is so buzzing. You know what? I'm gonna kill this person too. Maple syrup bandages. He is not gonna know. Close the shutters, you stupid idiot. You can't just refuse me. Yes, I can. You stupid idiot. Hey, unbelievable. I came all this way. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna kill another patient if you guys let him in. I'm gonna take some. Oh wait. I have an idea. Medicine. And this. I'm gonna kill the patient. Get maple syrup. Even maple. Are you kidding me? I have to throw the maple syrup in the trash. You had a maple monster, sir. So what? I don't care. When nobody isn't looking, I'm gonna just... No. No. I wanted to kill that patient. You know what? I'm taking everything. Oh my god. I have to do the making in the trash. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Boogie, 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 boogie. We have new supplies. Let's see. I have $63, Mrs. No. Poor performance. Animal deaths 1. Evil Master is the best. Oh, hell no. I'm closing the shutters. No service? What kind of place is this? Name's Ron. Ron talks actually too much. Shut up, Ron. Fine, I'll let you in. Here you go, sir. I'll be in room 2. Fine, got ya. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna give that guy an actual medicine because I don't want us to lose. What does Ron want? 1 IV drops. IV drops. Maple syrup. And then the herbs. Here you go. Oh no, look at you. Don't worry, the doctors will fix you, I hope. Dehydration, low sugar, stomach ache. What is going on, Evil Master? Some coffee brewing is, huh? Are the myths real? Evil Master. What are you doing? I'm gonna check the cameras on you. You're normal. Oh, Ron's healing up. Let's see. Okay, it's good. What's your name? Ruby King. We'll be a roommate. Gotcha. Okay, we have an x-ray scan here. I'm gonna do everything wrong because Evil Master is inside. What the? Oh. What? Why do you keep messing it up? Evil Master, come here. Oh my god, it's blue. I'm just gonna go and check him. You know what? I'm doing surgery. IV drops. Surgery. Medkit. Medkit. I don't know. I actually do not know medkit. Scalpel. Oh my god. This is stressful. I do not know what to do. Transplant. Ah. Oh my god. I'm not going to be able to do this. First, a transplant, then this, and then the medicine. Phew! I completed this. What the hell are you doing, Mr. Blue? Oh my god. You're stupid. You are actually so stupid. Bruh. Boom! Oh, done! You're so stupid. And you know what? Where's Evil Master? Can you tell me where the hell is Evil Master? I want to see if he's online or not. I'm gonna see. Oh, Evil Master is not. Bilberry City, nah. Okay. Next, we're gonna play Hide and Seek more. Oh my god. I'm using my phone to alive right now. Now nobody is gonna be able to find me. Oh my god. That guy's over there. Oh my god. What the hell? Are you kidding me? I'm cloning. Phew. Ugh. Treat. I'm using screen for them to know. And they still can. Hello, ballerina cappuccino. Boom, to the pub winner, baby. Your guts. that food was bossing. Ready to start? No, I am not ready to start. Just kidding, I'm always ready. I was born ready. Oh my god. Apricatos, that was so much apricatos. Just gonna take this mystery box. Get this off my screen. Now we're teleporting. Please make me a hider. Like, I love to be a hider. Let's go WW also W. Oh wait. This is kind of good. I just no. I'm taking this. Oh my god. He does not even know I'm here. Oh, this looks actually pretty real to me. Oh god. These guys know nothing. These guys know actually nothing. Oh no. I'm getting into it. I'm good. I'm taking this. Oh no. I am cloning to win right now. I'm gonna, well, what's my avatar? Please give me something good. I was about to get respawn. Dude, this is not fair. If you're doing, like and subscribe. If you're not, oh my god. I know a guy who was hiding like right here, I think. Here. Okay, I gotta fight. Where's that person? Okay, somebody's going hiding there. What was jumping right now? I'm just gonna stab everything I see. And see if it, this is just not fair. Can I snipe? I want to snipe. Like, throw it up. What? Oh. Simple. Haha. And I think I saw somebody like here. Inside here. Kill you. Well. Okay. I got 30 coins. Why do I always get a bad level? Yeah, she's just shooting everything in. Where the hell are they? Give me a boost. Where is that? Okay, nothing here, is it? Oh, I have to not check it here. Oh my god. Miracle challenge. This is very stressful, you know, guys. Where was Hudson? You know what? If I wouldn't have gotten out of my place that time, I wouldn't have been the seeker, and I hate being the seeker. You know me, Altazar the Higher. And not Altazar the stupid seeker. 20 seconds to stop? Oh my god, bro. These obbies are scammers. Scammers. So the tubes gotta go. Okay, I'm gonna stand really still. Why can't I zoom in my camera? Can somebody tell me? I'm a hider again. Wow. Okay, because of this, I'm gonna morph into a red one and then go here. Gap. Clone this. Morph into this. And then go here. And as soon as somebody wants to come, I can just go down here, morph into something small, go down here, and just hide. Why is there somebody dressed up like me? Oops, sorry guys, I ruined your angle. Little teeny tiny angle. Oh, just kidding, I'm not sus at all. Chippy top rock, choopy choop. No. Okay, this is very stressful. Oh my god. Please do not give them a boost. Because when I asked for a boost, this game really got me caught in under 5 seconds. Like, that was so rigged out. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. This is actually the perfect hunting spot. If you look up, boom. And if I clone myself here, morph into this, go under here, clone myself again, morph into this again, and go here. That is so good. Actually, what the heck, Altazar? You did the best job ever. Oops, I'm sticking out. I was sticking out. My guy was sticking out right there. Oh my god. Please do not shoot any of those lockers, because Altazar baby is hiding inside of them. 25. How many hiders are still left? I'm one of them. 2 hiders are left with me. Do I be a snitch and write her names? Okay, I'm gonna want to wait for Pinnacle Round. Like, Pinnacle Round is so fun. I think this angle is really good. You know what? I'm gonna give them something. They don't even know what me. Still. ha 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 ha. Poop poop beep poop 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 poop. Let's go W. Hubby Hub is like a bag of Takis, man on you. It's coming back. Coming back. My noni is just coming back. Brainrot Garden? Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alla palla, na 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 pull up. Where am I? Ah! Mossy still snitch to garden. Wait, Brainrot Garden. Brainrot Garden. Let's go W the higher again. Not more offensive. Car sahur. Make a perfect gap. No. Clone. And go here. This is actually the perfect hiding spot. Okay, this is like the perfect hiding spot. Just clone myself 1, clone myself 2. Done. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go here, hide in this corner, and then just go back into my little hiding spot that actually works. This looks pretty good to be real. And these seekers are, oh my god, apricotos. I have apricotos. No. Don't do that. I thought I was having a great time. I'm shooting everything I see. I am actually mad right now. I am mad. Stupid mad. Where was I hiding? I was right here? Oh yeah. Let's take this. I'm using my speed up. Don't care. I don't care. Why is that trippy troppy there? Oh my god. That trippy troppy was up. Take this. Take this. Take this. I wasn't that getting shot. Oh, you want a knight? Ooh. Chop off your head, mister. If you excuse me to. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I don't care. Oh my god, pinnacle challenge. We have to see everything we see. Pinnacle. Just get me, bro. Who was the last hunter? Can you please tell me? Who was the last hunter? Tell me. Bring that card. Stop. Bring that card is some dookie. Bring my card and dookie. Bring my card and pookie. Bring my button booby dookie. Oh my god. As soon as I'm gonna get the win, this stupid game, I'm gonna start with the stupid hobby. Oh my god, only a freeze for all that. Are you kidding? I am at the hider. Let's go, W. I'm gonna morph in this palm tree. You can't morph into trees. Let's morph into this thing. Just clone myself, and there's a goal here. And you know what? I am gonna help them because I'm an ice hider. Haha. And also I'm gonna get this girl's top. This one is reveal. Boom. Go into this girly pop's face. This does not even make sense. Like, I am literally in my cologne right now, and nobody knows something. What's that guy doing? If I get killed, I'm killing him. Excuse me? What the freak is that? Oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm gonna get caught because of my stupid camera. Oh god. I'm cloning. Oh god. It's done. I'm done. I'm done. Wait, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. No. 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 Please do not kill me. God. God. No. 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 I'm leaving. You know what? You know what? It's time for some horrifying, guys. Turn up your volume, please. Please. Please turn up your volume. I'm going to turn mine Don't make it right now, got it? Do not make it right now. Make it, but not right now. What? How? I seen this trick on YouTube, friends, where like they go around the tower, and like that's how you get subs in Roblox, and it's not working for me. Now you have to make it. I'm gonna pretend to leave. Oh my god, he's hideous. You have to make an end of that. He just got double slapped with an or a slap. How? Excuse me. How? 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 Now you're gonna get beat it up. Tomato, tomato, You know what? I'm gonna get some new slaps. Oh my god, that was hard. How am I gonna make it to the... This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Boom. Boom. Guys, you got to like and subscribe if I'm gonna make it to the end. Tomatoes. Oh god. Oh god. It's done. Boom. How do we get this? Alupico mita pesto, what is up? Why is it always me who's getting slapped off the tower? Revenge. Alupico mita pesto. Well, you're not a pro. You're just idiot. No vale beso. Mina ni natin. How do we get it? Yeah. Boom. Wow. Yeah, the rest Roblox player. Ugh. Si se para tomatoes, si se para baso beso, baso beso, no tomato, baso beso, no tomato, ese tu si se para. Why does this keep popping on my screen? Where's my 8? Oh god. You can not slap. The best. Out of the 5, 2, 3. 3! You know why? Sabaso beto, mayanato, beso. Fine, you're a troller then. The goody. Oh, no. No. She's a troller. Comment W also if she's a troller. Oh my god. I'm done with this game. Yeah, W, I'm the best Roblox player. Sabaso beso manat. Tomato, sabaso beso manat. I'm not gonna go to exit. Why is this saying? Wait. I'm gonna go here real quick. I'm checking every teeny tiny corner. Sabaso beso banato I send you to oh my god. Oh my god. Africanos! Oh no. No. I just got past a bully, bro. I actually just got past a stupid bully. Oh, that's just nothing, guys. Yes, I'm the best That's not fair. That is actually W not fair. Not fair. Got it? What does not fair mean? Can somebody please tell me what not fair means? Hobby Hub is like a bag of Takis, motto. No! It's coming back. Coming back. My nun is just oh, wait, this? Boom! XP chance. You gotta be XP to do this. This does not make you fast, guys. Like, it's making you slow. And look at what did this do to my speed? That was close. Okay, I'm a pro at wall jumps, but not the fat ones. I like these ones. Phew. God. Oh God. Wall jump? Nope. Normal lobby, I guess. No wall jumps. I guess every obby has wall jumps at the starting of their game. No. Don't do that. I thought I was having a nice time playing with you in the game. Howdy is like a bag of Takis, but on you. Hey, coming back. One on is just coming. Boom, Cloud Gaming. I'm a good girl, so I'm not gonna troll. I'm gonna troll here. Yup. W, I guess. You got captured. Okay, that bacon is just idiots. Why are you trolling? Excuse me, I do not allow trolling here. Why am I getting slower? Like, why am I getting slower? Like, everybody, I'm Indian, and everybody says how you make my voice, and you want to hear my real voice? My real sounds like this. Hello guys, so आज मैं करने वाली हूँ ये. Yeah, I know that has total difference. I'm not falling right now. Okay, this is not fair. Wall jumps easy, and they have corners, so you can just use shift lock and go. This is where I last fought. Like, wasn't the place. I fought here, somewhere here. Like, I was too lazy. I fought somewhere. No. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this all from Sabi. I'm going to the lowest lava. This game is so fun. Oh my god. Odd. Like, I love this game, but now I don't. And this game has a small little obby which you can play, which reminds me a lot. Look, that's parkour. We survived. These people are the ones. I'm doing landscaping. Closing this. Stupid. Get this off my. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna go. I don't even care. Boom! Can we use shift lock, please. Shift lock is my life now. If you trust, let me off. Holly, holly, like a bag of Takis, man on you. It's coming back. Coming back. When it is coming back. Ooh. I'm gonna check my age. Do I face reveal, guys? I think I should. But I've already did in my shorts, so nothing usual. Hello guys, this is me. Okay. This looks pretty good to me. That's like right. This may your age. This may take a few seconds. Okay. Young, only assimilating your age is younger than 8. Then your age for age in 2 days for you can generally accept Roblox. Are you kidding me? I am teleporting to Roblox Kids now. This is Roblox Kids, right? I got into a match. At least my friends are still here. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. Oh my god. Why am I so slow? I don't care. Spin. Oh, we know our stuff is good. Nice. Oh god. Just get out, please, of my face. Arch parkour, please. Now. This is correct size easy, I guess. Why is that girl so in a rush? Like, you have to play goodly. I'm just gonna keep moving a little bit. I'm gonna climb on the piranha. Oh my god. I can't even climb. Wait. Ah. I climbed onto the piranha fish. Can you guys stop pushing me, please? Do I do parkour? Fine, I'll do. Why would you do that? Oh my god. You guys are pushing more people that need help. Get me off, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get me off. Because of you guys, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. See, because of you guys, I was about to die. I'm having a cheeseburger right now. Yeah, this is so easy. 27 seconds, like, what the hell is this? Oh no. No. I guess I can go up here, I guess. Wait. Can we climb on the side? Oh, we can't. Wait. There was another area. You know what? I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Go up. How do we die instantly? We have to, like, leave 5 seconds. No, not fair. Let's see what the most expensive stuff is. A grapple hook, punch, jetpack, ladder, the staff, pyro's hook, trampoline, one-on-ones, boo, palapatita, patita, la. No. What is this block side? That's Grimace Shake. Oh, that's block side. The map chosen is trampoline. Let us go on a trampoline. Boom. Oh wait. Why am I glitching through the map now? So baby for the run. Oh my god, the lava is rising. Gotta be careful, Atsuzo. Collect this diamond real quick. Why would you collect a diamond? Oh my god. You're done. That guy's done. I'm the only survivor left. Oh my god. They're looking at me. I'm jumping. I'm scared. I'm actually so scared. Right now, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. To survive. Let's go W. What's this? Somebody has a bean stack, I guess. Does it follow me? Snowy home now. Wow. Minecraft blocks now. Wow. Blah! If you guys don't stop pushing me, I'll rig the game. Like, I'm gonna rig the game. I'm bringing on my... No. Everybody, get out of the lava. You're so stupid. Like, so stupid. Why am I on this guy's head? Please help me. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. Oh, Joshy Boshy. Pragal and me almost died. And I'm about to die. No. I want to revive. But I don't have this stupid little robots. Thank you, guys. Wait. I'm gonna turn off my screen. Okay, now you guys can see me. Oh, cute little piggy dog. And this. Why are people getting thrown now? What the heck? This is not a double kill. I'm just gonna go here. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. We don't even have to do the whole lobby. Now, what do I have to do? Don't tell me I have to risk. Whoa. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Oh God. I risk it for the biscuit, and I don't get lucky. So I am. Who's open chat? I am not spending all my money. Guys, what do you think Roblox is gonna be after 10 years? Yeah. I don't know either. Oh, you. Instead, let's see. Daycare 2 story. American story. Bad students. 100 Day of Disease. Team Stepmom. Brookhaven. Sail down a river. Army roads. Secure the airport, guys. I have to play this, but I can't. I actually can't.